Hey everybody, Cody here with Evolution AV. Today we're in beautiful Regina, Saskatchewan, taking a look at the newly renovated Darke Hall Theatre. Darke Hall Theatre has been a staple to the University of Regina since the 1920s, and today we're going to start in the newly renovated lobby entrance. Not only is this an entrance space to Darke Hall Theatre, but it's also been created as a blank slate event space so you can host any type of event with any type of technology. We've integrated the controls and access to the existing facility right here on the wall. But before we get started, we enter this space through the lobby doors. This area is made to gather people prior to an event or a performance, to grab some drinks, socialize, and check out video content on these commercial Panasonic displays. Throughout the facility, we've also installed a distributed audio system that takes care of background music, paging, program audio for every single room in this facility so you can hear what's going on wherever you are. Next, we move into the main auditorium. This is the heart of the Darke Hall experience. The main ask of this facility was to take care of performing arts presentations, concerts, events, school plays, and we have an AV system in here that takes care of all that. First, we're going to take a look at the JBL VTX line array sound system. This sound system was designed for perfect coverage throughout the entire room. The system can also take care of any type of event, from a children's show all the way to a full-blown rock concert. Now that we're on stage, we can take a look at the centerpiece of this auditorium. It's the 20-foot rear projection screen that's powered by a 21,000 lumen Panasonic laser projector. Last but certainly not least is the control AV room. And this is the area where the entire AV system is controlled and managed for the entire facility. The integrated Extron control system takes care of every single aspect of the AV system. Video, audio, microphones, camera, Blu-ray control, it takes care of everything from one single touch panel. So thanks for joining us today at Darke Hall Theatre in beautiful Regina, Saskatchewan. We're really proud to be a part of this project, and we look forward to the many years of great events that get hosted in this facility. If you want to learn more about what we do, please head over to evolutionav.ca. And while you're at it, follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.